I can't last 10 minutes on the elliptical. Okay, so this is a good one. So if you are somebody who is trying to improve endurance, and this is talking about the elliptical specifically, but if you're talking about improving endurance generally, how we want to approach this is by simply doing a less intense version of this and building up over time. Okay, so right now, this person cannot last 10 minutes on the elliptical, which means that maybe right now they shouldn't be spending 10 minutes on the elliptical. Okay, this is very similar. We'll use the money analogy of somebody saying, I can't spend $1 million. Well, if you don't have $1 million, you of course won't be able to spend $1 million. So instead, let's use the mindset and the frame of mind of where we're at today and use that to build us to where we want to be. So if we can't last 10 minutes on the elliptical, maybe let's just do 5 minutes and try to do that consistently until that builds into a pattern that's really, really easy to do long term. Similarly to the money example, let's use, we can't spend $1 million, but maybe we have $1,000. What can we do today to use that money, that $1,000, that will ultimately help to build that wealth up to $1 million at some point, right? Taking, kind of reverse engineering the end goal and then just letting your inspiration of, yeah, this seems like the right thing to do to, build my endurance. Obviously, I'm going to, eat healthier. I'm going to get proper sleep. All these different things can build into it. Just changing your identity of not being able to last 10 minutes and instead just being, okay, I'm just going to do 5 minutes today, tomorrow, the next day, and then when the time feels right, I'm going to bump it up. And then in no time, you'll be up to 10 minutes on the elliptical. That could be 10 minutes of running, 10 minutes walking, anything in general.